What will be the remainder if we divide 29 by 6? We get the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 5. 5 is the remainder when 29 is divided by 6. A better way to understand this is by writing it as 29 equals. That is, the dividend equals 6 times 4, divisor times the quotient, plus 5, which is the remainder. The dividend equals the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. Now look at the remainder and the divisor. Can the remainder be greater than the divisor? Can this number here be greater than the number here? Nope, it's not possible. The remainder will always be less than the divisor. It cannot be equal to the divisor either. Let's say you divide 30 by 6. Will you write the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 6? No, you will write the quotient as 5 and the remainder as 0. Similarly, if the dividend is 31, you will not write the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 7. You will write the quotient as 5 and the remainder as 1. So if we have something like n over 6, what will be the possible remainders? They will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. All whole numbers less than 6, which is the divisor. Let's try out a question based on this concept. We are given that when A is divided by B, the remainder left is 2. When C is divided by D, the remainder left is 3. Assuming A, B, C and D to be whole numbers, we are asked to find the least value of B plus D. Look at the first condition we are given. A divided by B leaves us with a remainder of 2. It means B cannot be less than or equal to 2. It has to be greater than 2. The minimum value of B will be 3. It can be 4, 5, 6 or higher, but the minimum value is 3. Similarly, the minimum value of D will be 4. As the minimum values of B and D are 3 and 4, the least or the minimum value of B plus D will be 7, the sum of 3 and 4. Let's look at an interesting concept about remainders. 21 divided by 5 gives us a remainder of 1. And 32 divided by 5 gives us a remainder of 2. In both cases, the divisor is 5. What do you think will be the remainder when 21 plus 32 is divided by 5? 21 plus 32 is 53, and 53 divided by 5 will leave us with a remainder of 3. And what is this 3? Yes, it's the sum of R1 and R2. When dividends are added over the same divisor, the resulting remainder will be the sum of the remainders. To see if it always holds true, here's another one for you to try. 27 divided by 4 leaves us with a remainder of 3. And 6 divided by 4 leaves us with a remainder of 2. What will be the remainder when 27 plus 6 is divided by 4? This will be 33 divided by 4. 4 times 8 is 32. And we are left with a remainder of 1. But what is R3 plus R4? 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 is not the sum of remainders? Well, as a matter of fact it is, only if we remove the excess from the sum. We know that the remainder cannot be greater than the divisor. So we remove 4 from 5 and are left with 1 as the remainder. So if you're adding the remainders, do not forget to remove the excess.